Your STL file just failed to slice for the third time, and you're staring at mysterious pink errors you don't know how to fix. This is where Meshmixer earns its place in your 3D printing workflow. Meshmixer is Autodesk's free mesh editor that sits between your downloaded models and your slicer. It does three things exceptionally well. First, it automatically repairs non-manifold edges and geometry errors that prevent slicing. Just drag your file in, run Analysis Inspector, and hit Auto Repair All. Second, it generates manual supports for resin printing that are often smarter than your slicer's automatic placement, giving you control exactly where you need it. Third, it lets you hollow models to save resin and sculpt quick modifications without learning full CAD software. The interface takes an afternoon to learn, somewhere between Tinkercad and Fusion 360. You'll spend most of your time in 4 modules: Analysis for repairs, Supports for resin printing, Edit for hollowing and sculpting, and Export for clean STL files. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.